Okay, welcome again. We got an iPad. Oh man, that's the 6th generation iPad, and I put it on a hot plate. Cause you gotta open up the side. It's not like an iPhone. It's way too different. Way too different. Now, what you have to do is, well, if you have a hot plate, put it on a hot plate. If you don't, you're gonna have to heat it up. I do both, just in case. Because over here we don't want to crack the digitizer. Actually, this does not work. So what we're trying to do is replace the, or actually make it ready to replace the LCD on it. See, I'll go all through the sides. All around. Make sure all of it's got heated. I get it to the side now. Yeah, it's hot. If you want to use some napkins, you can. I'll just use a napkin, put it up top right here. Then I'm gonna go with my razor deep. And I'll stop right here now because that's where all the wires. So I'm just gonna open it up. A little bit from the side, and then I'm just gonna start from here. We'll do the same thing over here. Careful, don't want to break the glass. Okay. Every time you feel it's getting colder, heat it up. Now, what you do is go down with the razor. There we go, we're in. See how smooth it gets? That's because we heated it really good. So easy. Right here, it's a wider lace. They got so much glue. So I'm gonna go away. Where's the camera right here? I'm just gonna press that. Just gonna go around it. And keep going, keep going, keep going. And already, see? We've got it. Now, what I'm gonna do is just stop right here. I'm just gonna stop right here and try to get back, open it little by little from where I already done. Yeah, see, easy that is. It doesn't look that easy actually. It looks easy, but it's not. You have to know what you're doing. Because now we have wires. We have a home button that you gotta worry about. And also we have the other wires. Now you don't wanna go too deep. And you just wanna stop right here. Lift up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna open up a little bit to see what's going on, where are we at. Okay, I can see it now. I can go lift it up a little bit more. Okay. Just gonna go right here. Don't go too deep. Just a little bit. So I you don't cut the home button. At the same time, you don't want to break that digitizer. Just don't go too deep, just a little. There we go, there we go, there we go. You got so much wires in this thing. So you see how you go right here? Just go that way. Easy, easy, lift up. I'm gonna go under, way under, and I'm gonna start lifting up. Go back again, leave, you can use this. Right here. Take this out. We'll use another one on this side as soon as we open it. Like I said, don't go too deep because it's gonna get some wires, and then. Come on and replace. We just want to replace the LCD. We're not trying to replace anything else. Now, what I do is I start lifting up a little by little everywhere. Go past these. Go. There we go. We stop right here. We're just gonna lift it up. Now we're gonna lift it up this way. There we go. See? Nothing happened. So perfect. That was just perfect. As you see, that's the home button right here, and it goes, there's the wire, it goes all the way down to here. So if you shut it, that's the wire right there. You don't want to cut that. Now right here, the digitizer, I have two wires that's going under the LCD. As we've been told, the LCD is bad. We need to change the LCD. This piece is fine, we can put it back and we'll be okay, but let's just get the LCD out. Now I'm doing this part today. That's gonna be done tomorrow. I don't have the part today. I order them. They come like every. I get my. If I order today, I get my parts tomorrow. So. Probably gonna get it tomorrow, change it tomorrow. Now there is a weird thing over here. It looks like, what it looks like that is this thing has been changed before. I can tell that the LCD has been changed before. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe they have done it wrong, and some of the wires are not in place. If that's the case, we'll just put the wire, shut it off, and we'll just tell the customers that whoever replaced your LCD have done it bad. Done a bad job. We're about to see, we're about to find out. So we take all 4 screws, and then I'm gonna lift it up from here because you have all kind of wires in the bottom. Just lift it up a little by little. And if it's good, you don't want to break it, so just make it loose from the sides. Okay, it's loose. I'm just lean that one and start lifting this thing up. Now, you don't want to lift it too much because the wires are in the bottom. I gotta turn this thing around so you can see what's going on. So here we go. So we lift it a little bit up. Leave this, place that you don't cut it off. And just move the wire to the side so you can have control of it. Now, we have a cap and 3 screws. We're gonna go to the side. Lift it up a little bit. There we go. Now, yeah, it looks like the LCD. Now that's the LCD. I'm not sure, but the LCD looks okay to me. But maybe it's just oh yeah. Wait, he said that he had some lines going on and off, so. Yeah, it's bad. Something happened to it. I think they dropped it. So here we go. So tomorrow, once the board are ready, I'm gonna show y'all how to get this board back again inside here. We're gonna hook it up again, put the cap, and put the other 3 screws, which is right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna keep everything over here as it is till tomorrow. And then we put our other screws, the 4 other screws, back in place on the LCD. And then we're just gonna shut the digitizer. Everything perfect. So this is how you open up an iPad without breaking the digitizer. If you just needed to change the LCD, usually most of the times it's the opposite. You don't need to change the digitizer, the LCD is fine. That's most of the cases that I've got, but now the cases that I have right now is just the LCD. So we'll do that tomorrow. Y'all have a good night.